Okay, here's the thrift store haul. $15. Goodwill. You saw this last week. It says $8.99. I don't think she charged me $8.99. I'm not sure what the deal was. It wasn't a red tag day anyway. I don't think toys go on sale. It's a little dirty,
Yeah,
but see that you get the point, right? It's beanbags. You start them all like this, and then you're the Empire or you're the Rebels. And you have to turn it to your thing. Yeah, you can do tic-tac-toe. You can do all of them. But you know what I'm thinking about doing with this?
What? Squirrels.
Yes.
Yeah.
What am I gonna do?
Nuts.
Yes. I'm gonna put all of these like this, and I'm gonna put a nut on each one of them, and then we're gonna see at the end of the day who wins, the Empire squirrels or the Rebel squirrels.
Beautiful.
Yes. Now this, I've been looking at this jacket for a while. I just happened to hit it on the blue day.
Nice.
But this is $1. I know. So you know how much I love Fallout New Vegas, right?
Yes.
So one of the main protagonists is a guy named Benny. And Benny wears this check jacket.
Nice.
Now it doesn't look exactly like this.
Oh,
it's more
gorgeous.
of a checkerboard, like a chessboard rather. But now the sleeves are a little bit long. But check out the lining. It's like purple, reddish black.
Wow.
I know. So like having this rolled up, these sleeves rolled up it's gonna be really cool anyway.
I love it.
I know, right?
That's
$1.
really cool. That's really cool.
$1 freaking dollar, man. This is my new jacket.
$1.
This is going in the car.
Nice.
I'm carrying this around with me.
Okay. All right.
This is cool. So I got that jacket for $1. And then this shirt, which probably would go awesome with that jacket. Look at the pattern on this. It's kind of silverish gray, black, and white. The color stays aren't in there, but it doesn't matter. And then, but it looks like really nice quality too.
Yeah, that's nice.
But it's Kohl's. It's Croft and Barrow.
Yeah.
That was $1.
Nice.
St. Patrick's Day.
Nice.
Right? Lime green.
Nice.
I don't even know if that's lime green, whatever
It's,
kind.
I don't know what kind of green that is.
But chaps always fit me really well. So like
aqua green. Or...
This is a great
yeah.
quality shirt. It'll fit. It's not my color.
Yeah.
But you know, it's like a special occasion color. And then it's always good to have a red shirt. That one red shirt they have is really, really red.
I like
that. Intensely red.
Is nice.
This isn't crimson. This is more of a
red,
blood red, brick red or something.
Brick
Blood red. And
brick
so that one's good. And I think that's a Van Heusen.
Yes.
Yeah. And they fit me pretty well. They're pretty choppy, but that's okay. I got to lose a couple pounds. This is just a medium, so I'm kind of curious to see if this fits.
That's cute.
This is the Gap.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is, these are my colors for sure. Blue and purple and black. So, but yeah, it actually does look like it fits.
Yes.
It's a little long in the sleeves, but I'll live with it.
Yeah.
So that'll be a nice shirt.
Yeah.
That's the Gap. And then we got this. I love this blue.
Yeah.
Another Van Heusen. This has like a ribbed pattern on it.
Yeah, nice.
And then it's a little shiny. It's very awesome, like teal.
Warm.
That's like a teal. Yeah, that's definitely like a fall, winter.
I mean, no, it's like a warm color blue.
Yeah.
Nice. Another jacket.
Yeah, look at this pinstripe.
Cool.
Joseph A. Bank.
Nice.
Made in Mexico. HOA in Mexico. But look how well it fits.
Oh, wow.
I mean, it's like it was made for me.
Yes.
Right? I mean, I don't think you could tailor a jacket and have it
maybe
a little
with
bit
the hat?
in the shoulders.
With the hat?
With the hat?
That's wonderful.
Isn't that nice?
Mm-hmm.
So, like, this is an interview, this is like a acting interview jacket. Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah, so I'll hang these outside to get the disinfectant smell out of them.
Okay.
And I'll hit them with some refresh.
Yeah, and hose off,
breeze.
wash off that thing.
And then that'll go outside.
Yeah.
So I don't need to hose it on.
All right.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Thanks.